monarch spreads his strong new wings and flies toward Hurry, landing on his back. "What do you call this place?" asked the monarch. "Here we go again," says Hurry, as the monarch opens his wings and flies off Hurry's back. "What's your hurry?" asks Hurry. "I'm off to see the world. What do you think it's like?" asked the butterfly. "I imagine," says Hurry slowly, "I imagine that it's like my garden, a place full of astonishing things." "I can't wait," says the young monarch, flying away. What are astonishing things? Nara?
Nice things.
Nice things. Sylvia?
Exciting new things.
Exciting, new, nice, maybe magical. Oh, and that's the end. And then there's a bunch of information about butterflies. So where, in the beginning of this story, where was the butterfly headed? Where was she trying to get? Olivia. She was trying to get to Mexico. Why did she know that it was time to get to Mexico? What did she tell Hurry? Nara?
It was about to be winter.
Because what was happening to the days? They were getting, Maddie? They were getting colder. So she knew she had to go where? South. To Mexico. Mexico.
About butterflies.
Can you share it with us, Sylvia?
One fact about butterflies I know is after they lay eggs, actually all butterflies, after they lay eggs, they actually die.
They do. Do you remember in the book what part it said that they didn't directly say that the monarch died, but do you remember where she was? Danny? On the curtain it says she stayed there forever. So she must have died there. But her eggs hatched, right? Okay. Now, let's turn our attention back to the screen, so if you need to move so that you can see that. Austin, find your spot. Austin. You have a problem, fix it. Patty, this is your warning. Next time you're back at your seat. Okay, Sylvia, show me how you should be sitting. Thank you.
Over.
Okay, so where did the butterfly start? Remember Hurry asked her where she started? Danny? She was in Canada. So I labeled this map for us, and Canada is up here, because what is this? We were looking at a map earlier. This has all of our 50 states. What is the name of it? Olivia? This is America. This is the United States.
There's Mexico though.
So if the butterfly, yep, have a seat, starts in Canada, so she started up here, where was she trying to go this whole time? Where was she trying to get?
Mexico.
Vincent? Where was it? Yeah, where was that green forest? Kirsten? Forgot? It was in Mexico. So Mexico is down here. So this is Texas, where the turtle was. So underneath Texas, this all is Mexico, down here. So she was trying to get all the way down here. So we know she flew through Texas, but do we also see butterflies in New York sometimes?
Yeah.
During the fall, we see them fly through. So she goes all the way down to Mexico. And this is New York. That's where we live. We live right up there. So that's a pretty long journey, isn't it?
Yeah. Some butterflies
called a snow goose. Has anyone seen a goose like this before?
Yeah.
What do the ones that we usually see look like? Okay, worry about yourself. Ethan, what do we usually see around here?
They're usually black and white.
Black and white. Then they're called, does anyone know? Olivia? They're called a specific kind of geese, though. They're Canadian geese. So we're going to watch a quick little clip about Canadian geese because they're really similar to snow geese. And then I'll tell you all about snow geese and how cool they are.
Canadians follow a strict migratory pattern with traditional stopover points along the way. Most will follow the same route for the rest of their lives. Here, they'll rest and refuel. When feeding underwater, they drag their bills across the bottom. Serrated edges along their bills easily slice through vegetation. Any small animal caught up is an extra bonus. The bill makes an excellent grooming tool as well. Feathers must be kept in excellent shape. Once recharged, they'll take to the skies and continue their journey. They are strong and streamlined flyers. The V formations reduce wind resistance and help keep the flock coordinated. A flock may cover 1,500 miles in a single day.
Okay, so what do we know about geese when they migrate now? Sylvia?
They cover at least 500 miles.
Yeah, that is a lot. What do they also do? They stop sometimes. Where do they stop? Nara? At lakes. Because what's at lakes that they need? Danny? Fish, so they can eat during their migration. So snow geese, they come from a lot farther than just Canada. They come all the way from the Arctic. Who knows where the Arctic is? Which direction is it in? Brianna? It's all the way north, right? It's all the way up here. So they come from the Arctic, and they go to a state called North Carolina, which is down here. So their migration goes from all the way up here down to North Carolina where it's warm and they can spend their winter.
It's by Canada.
It is by Canada.
Now we can see.
Who has an idea about another animal that migrates? We talked about it earlier. Ethan Carter?
Whale.
Whales migrate. What was the other one that we talked about? Olivia? Hummingbirds. So the rufous hummingbird is pretty cool. Yes, because we don't see them on this side of the country, but they're over in California.
I will show you. I see too.
This is a picture, boys and girls. Show me your voice level right now. It's teaching time. So this is a picture of a rufous hummingbird, and it says that they weigh about 3 to 4 grams, and they're 8 centimeters long. So they're teeny tiny little tiny hummingbirds. But they travel 2,000 miles from Canada and the American Northwest down to Mexico. 2,000 miles is a long way, isn't it? Okay, so let's draw their migration route. Okay, so where did they start? Okay, where did these guys start, Vincent? Canada. And where do they go? Mexico. Just like, what else goes to Mexico?
Butterflies.
Butterflies go to Mexico. But these guys, remember butterflies were over in New York?
Yeah.
Remember? The hummingbirds, they travel down this side, the west coast, down to Mexico. Okay, so what was the other animal that